It's the time of year we love you, Lord. We love to hear that joyful, joyful Christmas noise. Words and conversations spread so near and far. Christmas is the time to make connections. Does my son have minutes? Is it fully charged? Am I in a place with good reception? Hello? Stop! The songs of the season grow louder every day. But if you listen closely, it's easy to say. The bells are ringing, and choirs are singing. Jingle bells, singing, jingle all the way. Join the laughter of all the girls and boys. It's a time